Hi everyone, I am Arpita. The clothes that I wear at home are either Krishna's or my old t-shirts with some shorts or joggers. Trust me, those feel so comfortable. All these clothes are either faded or stretched or with many stains. I have been looking for good eco-friendly options to wear at home. In one of my very recent videos, I spoke about sustainable brands which you can buy clothes from. While doing the research, I liked the loungewear collection from the brand Suta. They had my wardrobe color combinations. What else can I ask more? I chose some sets, and today I will show you what I bought. So here is the package which I got just today. I am all excited to open it and see. Oh wow, I didn't expect this kind of bags inside. One set where I have a shirt with blue and red color combination, and with that I have red shorts. I hope these fit well.
Those shorts sit so perfectly on the waist and they are fitted loose. The shirt also fits loosely. I love that fact. The shorts fabric is not thick, but it is perfect for summer and sleeping in.
And the other one is red and white oversized kind of kurta with white pants.
This kurta fits loose. I love the details like huge sleeves, high and low hem and v-neck. The best part is it has deep pockets. White pants are always a struggle for me. The fabric is not thick, the pocket bags are seen as patchy and the panty shows through. This is given with the long kurta so it doesn't show now. As I always prefer and advise to wear one item in different ways, the white pant will be a little bit of trouble if I want to team them with short tops.
Blue and red combination shirt with blue shorts. I like the red button.
Yes, this one came with blue shorts, but I wanted to try it with the red shorts and it looks cool in both colors. Don't you think so? The blue shorts fabric is also the same as the red one.
This printed pant which has like a slit kind of detail over here. Yeah. With that, I have this boxy style top.
I love this top. Totally my style. The pant has a slit on the side. I was worried that there was no pocket, but they gave a pocket on one side. I was relieved. Okay, I couldn't resist from showing you this top with different bottoms.
Okay, to tell you the truth, I like all of these and I like the bag as well. Yeah, it looks good, but this fabric is very light. I don't know what all I can carry in this, but at least I can keep these clothes inside these bags. When we opt for handlooms or eco-friendly fabrics, they are good for our skin. We are not breathing chemicals and we are being responsible for our clothing choices. We are not ruining the nature around us. As part of our responsibility, we need to take care of them very well so they last longer. Question of the day. Would you choose handloom fabrics or eco-friendly fabrics to wear at home? Comment below and let me know. If you find this video useful, there is an option of saying thanks to me by clicking thanks button under this video. Your support will help me create more informative videos just like this one. Share the video to raise awareness. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.